Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making garlic bread in a frying pan. Soft, buttery and full of garlic flavor without using an oven. A perfect quick snack for any time. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 110 ml warm milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well and make a soft dough. Garlic bread is a popular side dish worldwide. Knead for 2 minutes. Rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes. Now prepare garlic butter. Take 6 to 7 cloves grated garlic, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well. Butter makes the bread rich and soft. Garlic adds strong aroma and flavor. Now take the dough and roll it out. Spread the garlic butter mixture evenly. Spread butter evenly for better taste. Fold as shown and roll gently. Grease a pan with a little oil and place the dough. Cover and keep aside for 5 minutes. Now place the frying pan over another pan. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Spread more garlic butter. Flip and cook both sides until golden brown. Pan cooking is an easy alternative to baking. Garlic has natural health benefits. Homemade bread is more hygienic. You can control butter and oil. Fresh ingredients improve nutrition. Your delicious garlic bread is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.